Let me tell you the reason why that boy in your street who wasn't even smarter than you were when you were in secondary school is making millions every single week, and you're still struggling to eat. In this video, I'm going to review to you the 3 things that are destroying your future and slowing down your progress. No, it's not motivational quotes. I'm going to hit you with the hard truths that might make you quite uncomfortable. So brace up. These truths are what nobody is telling you about. Without wasting time, let's get into the first one. The first thing that is keeping you from growing is the wait for connection mindset. A lot of people believe that for them to make it in life, there must be a destiny helper that somehow magically comes and changes their life forever. I've spoken to a lot of young people and they are like, my family does not have any big person. My family does not have connection. We don't know anybody in the government house. We don't have any rich uncle. So how do you expect me to make it in life? This is a mindset that has been consciously put in place for you to believe and slow down your progress. You don't need politicians to make it in life. While you're busy wasting time on this mindset, someone else exactly like you is busy searching online, learning a high-income skill, building himself, searching on Facebook, searching on Instagram, offering services to clients that are paying him both in dollars and in naira. He is creating opportunities for himself and solving real-life problems for people. This is exactly what you need to do. Start seeing the internet as your own connection. Join Facebook groups, connect with people online. See, you are the person that will free your family from whatever it is you guys are going through now. See yourself as the savior of your family. And when you begin to cultivate this mindset, you would understand faster that nobody is coming to save you. You are going to save yourself. You are going to set the path for your generation to come. Not a politician, not a very big destiny helper. Start adding value to people. Start adding value to the community. Start adding value to the society. Give before you ask. Don't be with the receiver's mindset. I want you to be a producer. I want you to get creative. I want you to stop depending on someone to come save you. Let me give you a secret. Real connection comes after you start showing what you can do, not before you start showing what you can do. So get rid of this mindset and get to work. The second thing that's keeping you poor is that you're following the traditional make money path blindly. See, while growing up, we all believe that for you to make money, you have to work at a certain company for 30 years, 40 years before you get that big raise, before you get promoted to the MD, before you become the CEO. They tell you go to school, get good grades, just graduate with first class, get a good job that'll pay you well, even though it's 30,000 naira per month or 50,000 naira per month. Save up enough so that when you get to 60 years old, you retire well and you can take care of your family with salary. That is what we believe, and I'm here to tell you that that's a big lie. Now, this is not the conventional talk that your parents might like to hear from someone, but this is the hard truth. The moment you believe that that job is not going to build the wealth and give you the lifestyle that you are going to have, that you really want to have, the better for you. That might have worked for them in the past. The harsh modern truth right now is that first class graduates end up earning 50 to 80,000 naira per month, or even 100,000 naira, and it is fixed. The dollar rate is rising, it's affecting the naira, the cost of goods are increasing by the day, and still your salary does not change. And for some reason, you believe that that amount that used to take care of both you and your family, which is no longer helping you get by the month, is what will help you build wealth. This is exactly what is happening now. And how can you escape from this? Move into the internet. Look, the internet is the easiest and the fastest way for any average Nigerian. Internet has made it possible for you to play on the same grounds as those in different parts of the world. The first world countries, you now have the same privileges, the opportunity, the reach, everything with them. While you're still getting the traditional education of going to the university, I want you to start intentionally learning a skill, learning a high income skill, whatever skill it is, online, that will help you print some money by the side. I want you to learn about global opportunities. I want you to develop that mindset and believe that you can render services to people outside your environment, people that don't need to see you physically before they give you money. It is very possible, and it's only possible with the internet. Start businesses while you're in school. Build valuable connections with people around you. You can start by making a little money from graphic design, making a little money from video editing, whatever it is. Make sure you're not depending on your certificate, because it will not feed you. Now, this last one is a bit controversial, but I need to tell you the truth. Chasing fast money is what is keeping you poor. In Nigeria, the very common ways of people chasing fast money is either by hopping into crypto without proper education, trying to make fast money from forex without focusing on getting the education first. Another very common way that is robbing a lot of you from making money is betting, making useless gambles on things that you have no control. The amounts you spend on making bets and predictions could be what you can spend on investing in yourself, learning a valuable skill, getting good data subscription to watch YouTube videos that will enrich your mind. A lot of people have discovered how Nigerian youths chase these quick money schemes, and then they use your ambition and your drive to rob you just because you have not been able to sit down and focus to make good money, not fast money. Chasing fast money does a lot of things to you, a lot of harmful things. First thing it does to you is you stop believing in the process because you have fed your mind to always receiving results as quickly as possible. You develop a gambling mindset, you start things and stop them midway when you don't see immediate results, and you lose patience for real growth, which can be very damaging to you as a young person. Here's exactly what you need to do to make good money online. Carve out the next 6 months and devote yourself to learning a high income skill, a valuable skill. And as you're learning this skill, you start practicing and making money from it slowly but surely. Whatever proceeds you get, you invest it back into this skill. If it's video editing or content creation, you invest it back in getting a good mic. From a good mic, lights, from lights to a good phone, whatever it is, just make sure you're investing back into whatever it is that is spitting out cash for you. I talked about the hottest skills you can learn as a young person in my previous video. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. Choose one skill you want to learn and start learning it today, not tomorrow. Today. I want you to write down any of these 3 things that I mentioned. Which one is affecting you the most? Delete all gambling apps from your phone. Now, that was a very intense session, but I believe you got the message. Which of these 3 things are affecting you the most? I'd like to know in the comment section. Type growth if you're ready to break free from these chains that are keeping you poor. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you got value from this video. And if you need help with choosing the right skill to learn, check out my previous video. I talked about the hottest skills an average Nigerian should learn and start printing money from it every single day. Until next time, remember, where you are right now is not your final destination. I'll see you at the top.